Hello trader, this is A-Onesys trend trading and trading with the bank lines, and you have to go through the trading disclaimer. Okay, you should aware about of the risk of the market. Okay, today we're gonna discuss our trading room for December 4th. Now here's a December 4th chart. Yesterday we had December 3rd we done the video, and today is December 4th. Now with the bank lines, I see only here this is a midnight, and decline by this bank line is red here, and hold it by this big bank line white, and there's a magenta as well. If you see, there's a magenta and white both together, and then it's gone to this blue and hold it by blue and try to go up, declined one time, couldn't go up. You see here is momentum is going down, momentum is squeezing, right? So that's why the market losing momentum here, couldn't go up. But let's see where the other big lines are. Okay, the solid bank big lines on the top, blue, magenta, green, and there's a dotted white big line and dotted magenta line is here. Where the others? Oh, others are down here. The magenta big dotted line, white big bank line here, two other magenta are here. So if the market is declined by these bank lines again, it's already did one time here, and this big decline here I can see is by 6:15 a.m. and the momentum is picking up again. So that's gonna be then a big drop in the market. This is a crude oil December 4th. Then I'm expecting to go down as a relationship with the big magenta and these magenta. So there's a small bank lines, there's a green, and the market was holded with the red, this bank line. If this is broken, couldn't hold it, and then there's nothing in between here. That's going to be a big drop up to here. Okay, now let's see. Then there's another decline here down. Okay, so this is 620, 625. That's a 5 minutes chart. Every candle shows 5 minutes duration. Okay, that's 6:30 now, 35. So I'm sitting in front of computer about 6:30 or 6:40, then take a trade, start taking trade if there is by 7 o'clock. Here is a big decline again. If you see, it's touched this purple line, purple dot line, and it's declined by that. Okay, now in our trading room, many traders took trade here when this declined, and this couldn't go up than that. And I took that trade as well, same time. I can show you on the left side here. I took that trade at, now there was another decline, sorry, and it's gone up, and this decline. On this decline, when it was declining down, took the trade here on this at 81. You see, short trade 88, 81, and stop loss at 96 above this white dotted big bank line and this dozy white line, and first target at 54, but always I keep at 20 ticks, but I just put a little bit down on this red line, and the other target, it should be at 81 here, but I put at this big magenta bank line for now, but I can move it anytime. So this is about 27 ticks, and this is 128 ticks. Okay, so you can figure that out. If this was hit, how much I have made. Okay, let's see. That's my entry. Momentum is good. It's up and it's coming down. Another declined. Okay, and going up. Another little decline. This is called Haromi, and a big decline, and this is held by this bank line. If you know where the market is going and you see where the other bank line is, then why not trade with that, right? Even you scalping this market, you should know it's gonna run between these bank lines. When this was a Haromi or this was a bearish candle here, bearish engulfing, you should take entry, and right here the scalping is good too. But if you swing trading, you waiting here, let's see where it's going. There you go. Another 5 minutes is rejected this red and passed through this. It was holding, so then my confidence is now more, right? So that's hit my first target quick right here at 54 was right, 27 ticks, and next going down little bit trace here. Okay, always is there, you will find those trace on the way, and it's gone to that green, the small green, holded by green here. The momentum is more up, you see this green line, so I'm close by my target. But if I was at 100 ticks, as I usually do at 88.81, and this is at 88.82. So I got that 100 ticks trade right here, right? But let's see, because the big magenta is there, the bank lines has a relationship. Okay, but here you go, that's rejected. There you go, going down. It has to touch that. If it's a holding by green, my God, didn't. Now I'm scary, right? But what do you think? If this dozy here, right, and then it's declined and the momentum is reducing, I got out here when this is declined by this green line. So I took my profit here, right? So that's, if it was at 100 ticks, I was still good. But it's a decline, couldn't hit this, momentum is reducing, this golf candle, bearish, bullish golf, and the next one. So give me the chance to get out here. So I took my 91 tick approximately here, right? So because I brought my stop loss here and get out here, because it's too close, I don't want to lose more. But next, if somebody missed this, but you shouldn't, okay, you won't be missing this. Next trade is scalping this. Okay, hold on, let me take a water a little bit. All right, now next is this. See this dozy and bearish. You can scalp this, okay, but then it's declined, a big declined and rejected. Now this becomes a support, this bank line, and momentum is going up. So this is big. Ever you have seen yesterday where we entered, the market is went up to the same position. Okay, today it is doing the same thing. When this, actually there was a trade when this was declined, this big decline was here, this, see, it went down and it's big decline here, but I took out here and big decline here. Okay, this is just a holding, it's not a decline, it's a holding. Okay, then this is a big decline again, and this is a big decline again. So you have a 3 chances to enter the market to up. This one right here, or right here, or right here, or right here. Okay, it is, looks like now this is holding and it's gonna hit again. See where we entered. Okay, now it came down. There you go, it came down to this and then a rejection. Wonderful. See, it's all the way came down from here to here and almost touched the magenta and turn back to the same position. So bank lines has a relationship. Okay, as we talk about always, if there is no big bank line between all rejected on the top or the bottom, then there is a big trend coming. Ready for that. I always tell that. See, this was rejected one time here, second time here, third time here. If you see, this is a big decline. 1, 2, and 3. After that, start the big trend. Okay, I lost by 2 ticks or 3 ticks here. Right, I lost about 30 or 40 ticks. Then I got out here, and I didn't take the trade again back because I made my money. Right, 90 ticks plus 27, so I had how much? Let me calculate. 90 plus 27, 117 ticks. $117 ticks equal to 1170. This was my day today, December 4th. So second, I took it here, second, right here after this bullish candle, because it's declined this candle and close up. So that was my approximately 90 here at 92 or 93 something. That's I got. Alright. And if you want to be in our trading room, send us an email and we'll go from there. You will be all set up. You're gonna watch these same as the bank lines, and you can run your own indicators on your computer according to the bank lines and take the big trade. I do not have any other indicators but this momentum ones, right? That's it. That's what I follow. I do not have any MAs on EMAs, SMAs, or any Bollinger Bands or anything. You can do that if you want. I like without that. This is clean. I just know the bank lines. Bank lines with big institute. Trade with that. You will be successful making money. Okay. Now we're going to show you again the trading disclaimer. Okay, you should read it before you investing any money. Okay, and here's our contact. If you like to be a partner in our trading room, here's my email, here's the website. Okay, and have a happy trading. Bye now. Tomorrow we're gonna do December 5th video. Bye.